world. So brisk and refreshing out here on my deck, and I just wanted to hop on really quick and just give you some important information today. I'm just so happy to be able to thankful for Wednesday, right? I just wish you guys a wonderful Wednesday. Hope it's going well for you. Being I'm in Alaska, of course, it's way earlier than when East Coast. It's like 4 hours earlier. So anyway, I just wanted to talk to you a few minutes. And you know when you go to buy something, right? You go and you look for the very best deal, actually. You're looking for things that are going to make you feel so good about what you bought, right? Like a warranty. It's going to protect what you buy. It's going to protect your stuff. Everybody, people like that stuff, right? They love that. Makes them feel good. They just like, oh, okay, cool. This is so awesome, and I'm so thankful I did this, So it's very good feeling. Well, I want to tell you about something that also gives you a very good feeling as well. And if you're an entrepreneur or if you're not, you must listen to this, because entrepreneurs start a business, isn't that right? They create their own fairy tale, which I've been thankful to do. And they, you can admire people that do great things, because we look at lots of people in our life, like Michael Jordan, who was told not to do basketball because guess what? They didn't think he was good enough. Well, did that stop him? Did he say, well, shoot, they're probably right. I'm just going to quit. I'm not even, hey guys, welcome. Thanks for getting on. Welcome to my world. Appreciate you guys. Let me know where you're tuning in from. I would love that. So appreciate you guys getting on so much. And it's awesome. Hey, John. Yes, it is beautiful. I am blessed with the rainforest behind me. I am so thankful. A little chilly today, but not bad. So I'm really enjoying it. But I was saying how, we always admire somebody, lots of people actually, that have done great things that we benefit from, that we appreciate. And there's so many names. I couldn't even begin to talk, like Michael Jordan. There's so many people that have done things, and I can guarantee you that while they were doing them, people told them, no, it can't be done. No, you shouldn't do it. No, it's not, it's not in your wheelhouse. It's not going to work. And you're just like, oh man, do not, I repeat, do not ever listen to people that say that to you. Anything can be done. Anything can be accomplished. It doesn't matter what they think. So many things would not have been done. We'd live in a pretty bleak world if people didn't go forward and create, invent, be incredible in what they do. Long distance runners were like an ultra runner. Who runs that far, How can they do that? But they do, because you can do anything. You just have such an amazing ability to do that. And I want to invite you tonight to a webinar that we have on Wednesday, that we've paid out almost $1 million to our people in like 6.5 months. It's incredible. It changes everything. I mean, if you want to fight for your fairy tale, do it. Don't listen to people. And I invite you to get on tonight. My link is in my storyline. Just register. You'll get an email and you can just pop on. It'd be awesome. And I just thank you for I just wanted to chat a few minutes and give you that information. So important. It has done wonders for my life, and I want to share that with you. That you can do anything you want to, and all the bonuses are on the webinar. You're going to hear about so many bonuses. You're going to be blown away, and we all like that stuff, right? So it's really a great place to be tonight. If you can get there at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, you will be so incredibly amazed. So I just wanted to hop on, let you know. I appreciate you watching. Thanks for getting on. Don't forget to register for tonight's webinar. It has changed my life. I've made over $8,000 with this, and the bonuses are out of this world that we have for everybody. You know how it goes when you go to join something. You're like, well, what team has the best offer, for the bonuses, right? You're looking for extras because you want to have the best start. And honestly, we don't have, everybody can get the bonuses. It's for everyone, not just certain teams. And I love that about this, because it takes care of everything for you. Your people are going to be well taken care of and so incredibly blessed, and the fairy tale will come true like it has for me. Hey, hello. How you doing, Rose? So happy you got on. Appreciate that. So awesome. I'm in Alaska in front of my rainforest. I'm very thankful. So thankful that I can be here and enjoy all that it offers. So I hope you're having a wonderful Wednesday, Rose. I hope all is well. I hope you have a great week. I'm going to be signing off now. I just want to invite everybody to the webinar tonight. So thanks for watching. We'll see ya. Bye from Alaska.